Yes, ICERIVER, you did it. You changed the thermal paste on the hash boards. Yes, look at this. Oh my God, the temperatures are like under 80 degrees Celsius. That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. Hey guys, RedPandaMining here. Hope you're doing well, having a really great day. Sorry if my voice sounds off, I'm a little bit sick, but that doesn't stop me from unboxing and reviewing this new ICERIVER KS5L with you guys. This is a 12 terahash, 3400 watts Kaspa miner. This is a June batch that just came in, and now everyone else has been getting their June batch as well. So thank you to CryptoMinerBros.com for sending me this ICERIVER KS5L to showcase to you guys. I'm just going to do just a look around this unit just in case anybody wants to, check this out. I mean, it's very similar to the other ICERIVER Kaspa miners and very reminiscent of I'd say the KS3M. As some of you guys may know, which I did an ROI test on. It took about 6 months to get money back on that one in terms of the $9,000 initial investment. So I'm going to do the exact same thing on this ICERIVER KS5L, which I'm going to mine to a singular Tangem wallet. I'm going to set this up in today's video. It's my RPM branded one, and this is what the RPM Tangem looks like, and you guys can check it out. Link down below. Use code RPM for 10% off if you are interested. But yeah, this thing was about, I'm going to say, $5,000. So we're going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to be mining and holding Kaspa all the way up until we see the break-even point, which is around $5,000. I will also include the electric this time. I didn't do the KS3M electricity because I want to give away that KS3M faster. So for this KS5L, I will include the electric. And will I be giving this away but when I hit break-even, including electric? Well, I'll let you guys know if that ever comes. Maybe in 6 months, maybe in a year. Who knows? But just looking at the power input, this takes a C19 to C20 power cable. Here's the power supply spec. It says 3400 watts there, 240 volt. Okay, let's look at the back real quick, and then we're gonna turn this thing on. Okay, the back, yeah, you guys can see power supply, 2 120 mil fans, access to the control board at the top. Yeah, I mean, this is the exact same as other ICERIVER ASICs, but because this is a KS5L, this must have a lot more chips in a sense versus the KS3M or KS3L, as this gets double the hash rate versus a KS3M. So 12 terahash at the same power consumption, 3400 watts. Okay, let's get this going. Let's get this on. Let's let this thing eat, as we're missing out on all the Kaspa yield. We got to get the yield of this thing right now. So let me plug it in and let's turn this thing on. Okay. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Please don't smoke. Don't die. Smell test. I don't smell any smoke. That's a good sign. Okay, before we log into the web GUI, I need to get my Kaspa address off a new RPM Tangem. And oh, there's it screaming now. That thing is screaming. Okay, so I'm gonna set up the 3 cards right now. Okay, so here's the RPM Tangem. Comes with the 3 cards, and this is what they all look like. Ah, it's so nice. It's so nice. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. All right, so I have the Tangem app here. As you guys can see, I do have a wallet already with Kaspa. This is actually the ICERIVER KS0 Pros. I have 10 of them mining to this wallet right now, and it's about $1,000. Actually, I think it's in Canadian. Yeah, let me change that to US dollar. Okay, go back and okay, so it's $737 worth of Kaspa thus far on those 10 KS0 Pros Kaspa commemorative editions. Anyways, let's go ahead and set up the new RPM Tangem. I need to add a new wallet. Okay, so it's gonna ask me to scan. So I have any one of these 3 cards. I'm just gonna take one and we're gonna tap it on the back of my phone. Okay, ready to scan. There it is. It says I'm gonna generate the keys privately, and I'm just gonna say, yeah, create wallet, or I could write down the seed phrase, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna trust myself that I won't lose the cards, because the private keys will then, they won't be digitized. I won't have to write them down. I have them all trusted in these cards, 3 cards, okay? If you lose all 3, you're done, right? You lose everything, right? You don't have your private keys. So I'm gonna hit create wallet. Okay, gonna scan the card again. Okay, and it's scanning. Ready to scan. Okay, done. It says now no backup cards. Okay, so put this one down, and we're gonna add a backup card now. Okay, I'm gonna add the second backup card. I'm gonna scan it. Okay, so that's done. Okay, I'm gonna put this one down. I'm gonna add another one. Okay, add another backup card, and I'm gonna scan the last 3rd card that has come with the RPM tangent. Scan, done. Okay, there we go. 2 backup cards are added. So 2 backup cards, and then 1 is gonna be your main one. Okay, so you're gonna hide the other 2 somewhere around your house, in a hole, in the ground outside somewhere. I don't know, wherever you guys want, but you know, don't lose them. Don't lose them. Okay, so finalize the backup. Okay, we're gonna create an access code. Okay, so I'm gonna create my own access code. I have to re-enter it in. So now I have to scan the primary card, which was the first one that we did. Okay, to put the access code on. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna keep it there for 15 seconds. Okay, that's done. Okay, we gotta scan the first backup card. Okay, that's done. And we gotta scan the second backup card. Now we're gonna hit this button and scan. Hey, that's done. All right, we're done. There we go, success. Look at that. Your wallet is configured and ready to use. Continue to my wallet. Okay, and you can see here. All right, so here is the RPM tangent added. So now I'm gonna add Kaspa here, manage tokens at the bottom. Okay, we're gonna go type in Kaspa, and here we go, there we go. Then we're gonna hit save changes. Okay, there we go. Face not recognized, I gotta scan my face. Okay, now we gotta scan the first main card. All right, there we go. Kaspa is added. All right, so this is where I can get my receiving address, and this is where I'm gonna plop it into the KS5L. Okay, I just set up the web GUI for the KS5L. It's the exact same as, yeah, all the other Kaspa miners out there. Okay, so I just heard it ramp up. It's just starting to mine now. Okay, you guys can see almost 3,400 watts, 3383, just starting. And I am mining to kaspapool.org. Okay, so let's see if it shows up right away. Nope, it hasn't showed up yet, so I'm gonna give it a few minutes. Yeah, this thing is starting to scream. Okay, let's just see how loud it is. So 92. 80 decibels, not that bad, but it's getting louder. It's getting louder for sure. Okay, yeah, it just showed up on kaspa-pool.org, and yeah, it looks like it's mining now. So if we go back here, the web GUI is gonna take a bit to show up here. I'm gonna give it a couple minutes. Yes, ICERIVER, you did it. You changed the thermal paste on the hash boards. Yes, look at this. Oh my God, the temperatures are like under 80 degrees Celsius. That is amazing. That is absolutely amazing. All right, so running for about over an hour, we are getting almost, I think, 12 terahash, or no, 13.3 terahash. Wow, that's crazy after the past 5 minutes. But on the pool, we are showing 11.2 terahash. So yeah, look at that. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay, so I know this is probably gonna fluctuate a bit. I know some people are gonna ask, Red Panda, is there gonna be an overclock for the KS5L? And I don't think so. I don't know, actually. I don't know if PV Farmer is gonna come out with a firmware overclock for this, but I'm taking already 3,500 watts, 3,510 already. If this power supply is only handle up to 3,400 watts, I don't know. I don't think an overclock would do well on this unless the power supply can be upgraded. So there you guys go. It's working. It's doing very good. It's doing very good. It's showing up on the pool, and refresh there, and yeah, it looks like it's working. And yeah, the hashboard temperatures is a big thing. Look at this. These are all under 80 degrees Celsius now. Been running for over an hour. Here are my ambient temps. It's over 100 degrees Fahrenheit in here. It's pretty hot. It's pretty hot in here. Yeah, looking at the ICERIVER monitor. Yeah, looking at the hashboards. It all looks to be pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, guys. All right, guys. So that's it. I'm gonna be mining to my RPM Tangem, to my Kaspa wallet here. Gonna mine all the way till $5,000 plus electric. All right, I should be yielding about 266 a day. Of course, that's gonna go down every month as there's a 5.6% decrease in emissions because of the emission schedule, and as well as the network hash rate for Kaspa is probably going to climb very, very hard in the next 2 months here, next 2 to 3 months. I'm expecting 500, 600 petahash. That's my guesstimate in the next 3 months. Okay, so we'll see if that happens. Okay, if that does happen, we're gonna be cut in half in the yield. Okay, so I mean, well, plus the 5.6%, so more than half. Okay, if the Kaspa network hash rate goes bonkers over the next couple months, because a lot of these are coming out. KS5Ms are coming out now, and also in August, September is going to be Bitmain with the KS5 Pros. So who knows how many of those are going to come out, all that good stuff. But anyways, guys, I'm here to document the whole journey. We're going to be mining and holding Kaspa and seeing when we could at least break even on this $5,000 ASIC. Now, actually, I just want to keep note, okay? So this is the Kaspa network hash rate. It's July 5th as of recording. So if I were to put $5,000 into buying the Kaspa instead, it would be about 30,500 Kaspa, okay? If I were to buy it right now instead of buying a miner. So I'm just curious to know, if we're gonna, mine this amount back, okay, with this KS5L. I don't think so, but I will keep track of that for you guys, and we'll do that test. All right, we're doing this real test if we can mine our yield back over the next, I don't know, 6 months, I don't know, a year maybe. I'll do that long-term test for you guys, okay? So I'll see you all in the next video. Let me know your thoughts. Appreciate you all. I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.